QuickBooks Error PS077. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Check your payroll service subscription. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and restart your computer. Step 2. Now, open QuickBooks and go to Employees tab. Step 3. Select My Payroll Service and go to Manage Service Key. Step 4. In the Service Key window, verify that the service key number is correct. Step 5. If the service key number is incorrect, click on Edit, make the changes, and click on Finish. Step 6. Now, make sure that the service name is correct and the status is active. Solution 2. Register and update QuickBooks. Step 1. Open QuickBooks, and press the F2 key to open product information. Step 2. Check the product information and confirm if it says activated beside the license number. Step 3. If it doesn't say activated, go to the Help tab and select about QuickBooks Desktop Premier Edition. Step 4. Then hold the Ctrl plus or plus P keys at the same time to open Activate QuickBooks Desktop window. Step 5. Input the validation code here and click Next. Step 6. After you register, go to Help, then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 7. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 8. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 9. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 10. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Step 11. Now, go to the Employees tab and select Get Payroll Updates. Step 12. Then select the Download Entire Update option and click on OK once done. Solution 3. Run Quick Fix My Program from QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 3. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Program Problems. Step 4. Next, select Quick Fix My Program, and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Once done, open QuickBooks and try to download the latest tax table. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.